Because I believe dumadaan sa munisipyo lahat ng transfer ng property. Mayor Tumang, please.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Mayor Tumang, when was your first assumption of office as Mayor of Mexico, Pampanga?
2004 po, Your Honor.
2004. As far as you can recall, Mayor Tumang, kailan po ba nag-umpisang mag-acquire ng property si Empire 999?
Hindi ko po maibigay, hindi ko po alam yung exact year, but approximately po 2000, yung nakabalik po akong mayor, 2017.
2017. Mayor Tumang, do you personally know Willie Ong?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Do you personally know ADT Yang?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
But
Mr. Chairman,
would
with the indulgence of the Honorable Luisro.
Yeah, okay, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mayor Tumang,
Yes po, Your Honor.
for the information of everyone, ito kasi pong question of the drugs and the acquisition of properties ng mga foreign national form part of my reso dun sa public accounts. Kasi public accounts na lang pinagsimulan nito eh. Na it was forwarded to this Quadcom. But the issue about some properties, transactions of Mayor Tumang, in which, ilang beses ka naman na-dismiss, Mayor? Ilang beses ka na na-dismiss? Yung dismissal order mo? Ilan?
Once lang po, Your Honor.
Once ka lang na-dismiss?
Yes po,
alam ko
Your-
dalawa. Are you telling the truth? Mayor Tumang, ganito lang po, I just want to warn you. You're under oath once again in this Quadcom hearing and you're being asked by Congressman Luistro. Please, don't lie.
Your Honor, yung pong yung previous po na reverse po yun.
And then,
Yung 2022. And then po 2023 last August po, yun po yung last ko pong dismissal.
under appeal,
Yes po, pending appeal po.
pending appeal. Now, Mayor, ganito lang po, you're being asked if kilala mo si Eddie Yang, kilala mo si Tuma, kilala mo si Billy Ong. I just want to tell you, we have already discussed it in the Committee on Public Accounts. And please answer the query of the members of this committee truthfully, or else I will show you the proof.
Yes po, Your
And
Honor.
if you're lying, I will cite you in contempt once again, Mayor Tumang. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mayor Tumang, ulitin ko po yung tanong. Do you personally know Willie Ong?
Your Honor, hindi ko po personally kakilala si Willie Ong and Eddie Yang. Pumunta po sa munisipyo, doon ko lang po sila nakilala dahil nag-inquire na bibili po silang lupa.
With your statement, Mayor Tumang, it appears that you personally know Willie Ong and ADT Yang. Because when you said they came to your office, approached you, and told you that they are going to buy lands,
Doon ko
then
lang
it
po.
means that you were able to personally
Yes po.
meet with these two individuals. Tama po ba?
Yes po, namit ko po sila sa munisipyo.
In other words, you personally know Willie Ong and ADT Yang. Are you aware that
Chairman, once again, Mr. Chairman, this will be the last. Mayor Tumang, you're lying.
Hindi po, Your
Sandali
Honor.
po. Let me finish. Please don't answer. Don't talk unless you are recognized by the chairman. Mayor Tumang, sinabi mo hindi mo kilala personally si Billy Ong at saka si Eddie Yang. Si Eddie Yang, hindi mo kilala?
Nakilala ko po, Your Honor, nung pumunta po sa munisipyo, nagpakilala po sila, Your Honor.
Sandali, yung sa munisipyo lang ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yun lang? Oh, now, Eto Mayor Tumang. Nagsisinungaling ka. Di ba naimbitahan kayo doon sa China?
Yes po,
At
Your Honor.
kasama niyo si Eddie Yang?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Oh, now you're telling me that sa munisipyo lang?
Nung
Don't lie. You're lying.
Hindi.
Anong hindi? May mga picture kayo. Fraud.
ah,
You were invited and you represent Mexico, Pampanga in that travel with Eddie Yang. And it's Eddie Yang that introduced all of you, and that includes the former governor and the governor to the ambassador.
yes po, Your Honor.
Oh, ngayon, di mo kilala? Mr. Chairman,
Hindi ko lang po
with that, Mr. Chairman, I have warned you, pasensyahan po tayo. I move to cite in contempt, Mayor Tumang.
Your
Ni Congresswoman Luisto. Congresswoman Luisto, you have the floor.
Mr. Chair, Mayor Tumang, kailan po yung una kayong pinuntahan sa munisipyo ni Willie Ong at ni ADT Yang?
hindi ko na po ma-recall, Your Honor.
At least the approximate year, Mayor Tumang.
Hindi ko po maibigay, hindi ko po alam. Tignan ko po sa documents na sa pag-purchase po ng lupa.
You cannot give even the approximate year or at least your term. Yan po ba ay during your first term, second term, or third term? I think if you will make reference about your term in office, you'll be able to come up with an approximate year.
Probably po, siguro po second term.
And if it is second term, kailan po ba yung second term nyo? Is it 2019 or 2016? Mahirap po bang
20.
tandaan yung term?
Mga 2020 po, siguro.
2020. So,
I'm not sure po.
sometime in 2020. Mayor, ito pong pagpunta nyo sa Fujian, China, kung saan nakasama nyo si ADT Yang as shared to us by Chairman Paduano, kailan po ito? Is it during your first term
Hindi
or
ko na-
second term?
Siguro po first term.
First term. Paano po mangyayaring first term yon? Eh kung yung first time na pinuntahan kayo sa munisipyo is 2020, second term. Ibig sabihin, hindi nyo pa kilala.
Si Willie Ong po yung 2020.
Willie Ong first visited you in the Municipal Hall 2020.
Yes po, si Eddie Yang po yung kasama namin pumunta po ng China.
First term. So this is 2016 to 2019.
Siguro po 2018 ganun.
2018.
17 or 18.
When did you actually met for the first time ADT Yang? Kailan niyo po siya unang nakilala?
Approximately po siguro to 2018 or 2017 po ganun.
2017. Bago po kayo nagpunta ng Fujian, China, along with ADT Yang and the other Chinese nationals, where you executed a contract with the mayor of Zhangzhou, Fujian, ilang beses nyo na po na-meet at nakausap si ADT Yang?
Bago po pumunta po ng China,
Yes, Mayor.
marami na pong beses po, Your Honor.
Marami na pong beses. So, this goes to say na talagang you personally know ADT Yang? Ilang beses po? Approximate number, Mayor.
Hindi ko maalala po.
The reason why I am asking this question, Mayor Tumang, because I find it strange na sasama kayo sa Fujian, China, along with the Chinese nationals, if you do not personally know and you do not personally trust ADT Yang. Gaano nyo po kakilala si ADT Yang para sumama kayo sa Fujian, China, where you executed a contract with Zhangzhou, with Mayor Wang of Zhangzhou, Fujian?
In-invite po kami, hindi lang po ako kasama po yung mga konsyal nun. Tama pa po yung former Vice Mayor po, si Jonathan Pangan.
I understand, Mayor. Can you please enlighten us? What is this two countries twin park project all about?
Sorry po, Your Honor.
Ano po itong two countries twin park project which you executed with the mayor of Zhangzhou, Fujian, when you were with ADT Yang?
Wala pong, hindi po makuha yung, ano nyo. Wala po kami project na, nin-invite lang po kami doon. Pinakita po yung waste to energy.
Ano po yon, Mayor?
In-invite po kami doon para pakita lang po yung waste to energy.
What was shown to you is a waste to energy
Yes po, Your Honor.
project.
Yes po, Your
But
Honor.
you belie having executed this two countries twin park project. Ganun po ba?
Wala po akong, in-invite po kami doon dahil gusto po nilang mag-invest ng waste to energy doon po sa Mexico. Kaya
Sa Mexico, Pampanga.
pinakita po sa amin yung waste to energy doon sa China po.
Okay. So, natuloy po ba itong waste to energy project sa Mexico, Pampanga?
Sorry po, Your Honor.
Natuloy po ba itong waste to energy
Hindi
project
po, Your
in
Honor.
Mexico, Pampanga?
Hindi po,
So,
Your Honor.
ibig sabihin po, yung pagkabisita nyo sa Fujian, China, it did not materialize to any project in Mexico, Pampanga? Is that what you wanted to say?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Wala pong nag-materialize. But since the reason why you visited Fujian, China is because of the invitation of ADT Yang, can you please enlighten us more? Ano ho ba yung sinasabi niyong maraming beses nyo na siyang na-meet at nakasama? Even before this trip to Zhangzhou, Fujian.
Nung pong nagtatanong silang mga binibili nilang lupa. Yun lang.
Like how many times were you able to meet with him about acquisition of land? Ilang beses nyo na
Hindi
po
ko po
sila
ma-recall,
nakita?
Your Honor.
Would it be more than 10 times?
Hindi ko na po kayang mag-elaborate po ng mga question niyo. Your Honor, masama na po yung pakiramdam ko.
Mr. Chair, the resource person is manifesting that he's not feeling well.
Okay, may we ask the House doctor to please check on 1 minute suspension?